am back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to share my grocery haul, but it's not my typical grocery haul. We are in the middle of a kitchen renovation project, and it turned into a much larger project than we originally anticipated. But because we're in the middle of a project, I went to the grocery store, not to buy a whole week's worth of groceries, but just to pick up a few things to get us through for a couple of days until hopefully we have our kitchen sort of put back together. So I just picked up a few things that were super easy. Currently our stove is unplugged and moved out of the kitchen entirely, so nothing that needed to go into the oven necessarily. Oven should be put back today, hopefully. But anyways, I'm rambling. Let me just show you the very few things I picked up just for a couple of days. So we got paper plates because the plumbing is off in my kitchen right now, so I can't run my dishwasher or wash anything, so we're back to paper plates for a little while. I had recently said I wasn't going to buy paper plates anymore, but you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. Picked up some Pop-Tarts, super easy breakfast for the kids that requires nothing. No appliances whatsoever, no dishes, so that was a good idea. Picked up some peanut butter for peanut butter sandwiches, some cookies, some Granny Smith apples. These are the organic apples. They were on sale for $2.80, so I picked up those. A few cans of chips here. I got the Great Value brand of Pringles. I've never tried these, but I'm hoping they're going to be good. So we got the pizza flavor, the cheddar cheese flavor, and the sour cream and onion for grab-and-go options. I picked up some little mini muffins, blueberry and chocolate chip. Those were on the bakery rack, like the clearance bakery rack. Got some Gatorade for my guys. Picked up a Diet Mountain Dew to drink while I was in the store. Some corn dogs. I thought that would make a quick and easy lunch. We could just throw those in the air fryer. Couple of pizzas. Like I said, I'm hoping my oven will be hooked back up by this evening, so we can throw these in the oven for dinner. And lastly, I just picked up some of my husband's favorite Pure Leaf unsweetened tea. So that's it, just groceries for a couple of days until my kitchen gets put back together. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this super quick little video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe so that you never miss a video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!